Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, name. My mother name is Bimla. Second, friend. She is my best friend. Third, love. I love her so much. Fourth, invite. I invite all my friends. Fifth, early. I wake up early in the morning. Sixth, house. I leave the house. Seventh, go. I go for a walk. Eighth, work. I take the train to work. Ninth, school. I go to school every day. 10, lock. I lock the door. 11th, cat. This cat is white. 12, beautiful. My house is very beautiful. 13, give. The cow gives us milk. 14, meet. I meet up with my friends. 15, check. I check my emails. Thanks for watching.